Today we are going to discuss about the second part, that is part B for multiple angles. Now we are starting from 1 and 2. In 1 and 2, see that in LH is given cot 15 degree minus 10 15 degree is there. So cot means cos by sine, and tan means sine by cos. So LCM is sine 15 degree into cos 15 degree, and here cos square 15 degree minus sine square 15 degree. So now, if we multiply 2 on the numerator and denominator, then we can write 2 into, this is cos 2 theta, that means cos 30 degree. And if we multiply 2 here, we get sin 2 theta, that means sin 30 degree. That means 2 cot 30 degree. So cot 30 means tan 60. So 2 tan 60 degree, which is the RHS method. Okay. Next one. See that in LHS that is given tan square theta by tan square theta minus 1 plus cosec square theta by sec square theta minus cosec square theta. Now if we write this into sine and cos, we can write sine square theta by cos square theta by sine square theta by cos square theta minus 1, and this part also 1 by sine square theta by 1 by cos square theta minus 1 by sine square theta. Now here both the numerator are cos square theta, so we can write here sine square theta by sine square theta minus cos square theta, and here the numerator LCM is sine square theta cos square theta, and this is sine square theta minus cos square theta in the numerator of the below part. So we can write directly cos square theta by sine square theta minus cos square theta. Now see that if we take sine square theta 1 by sine square theta minus cos square theta common, so you can write 1 by sine square theta minus cos square theta within bracket sine square theta plus cos square theta. The value of this part is 1. So we can write here 1 by, and this part can be written as minus cos square theta minus sine square theta. Okay. So we can write 1 by cos 2 theta, which is minus sec 2 theta, which is given as RHS. Okay. Proved. Note down all of you. Next one. Now in 2a2, see that if we multiple both sides of the LHS, the numerator and denominator, by 2, then we write 2 of sine square alpha minus sine square beta by 2 sin alpha cos alpha minus 2 sin beta cos beta. So now we can write 2 into sine of alpha plus beta into sine of alpha minus beta, and this portion is 2 sine alpha cos alpha. Okay, sine 2 alpha into sine 2 beta. That means 2 sine alpha plus beta into sine alpha minus beta by 2 into cos alpha plus beta into sine alpha minus beta. So 2 cancelled and these 2 are also cancelled. So you can get tan of alpha plus beta, which is the RHS given. Note down all of you. Now in number 3, see that in LHS is given 2 into cosec 4a plus cot 4a. So here we can write 2 into 1 by sine 4a plus cos 4a by sine 4a. So that implies 2 into 1 plus cos 4a by sine 4a. So that means 1 cos 4a means we know that cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos squared theta minus 1. So now we can apply here. So you can write 1 plus 2 cos square 2a minus 1 by sine 4a means 2 sine 2a cos 2a. Okay, so 2 cancel and 1 cancel. So you get 2 cos square 2a by sine 2a means 2 sine a cos a, 2 sine a cos a into cos 2a. Okay, here 2 and 2 cancelled and 1 cos 2a is cancelled. So that means the remaining is cos 2a by sin a cos a. Okay. So now from here we can write cos, if we multiply again by 2 in both numerator and denominator, we can write 2 cos 2a by sin 2a. That means 2 cot 2a. So cot 2a means we know that 2 into 1 minus tan square a by 2 tan a. Okay, 2 to cancel, and if we divide by tan a, then 1 by tan a, that means cot a, and tan square a by tan a, that means tan a, which is the right hand side given. Okay, good. Note down all of it. Now in 5a3, see that you have to find the value of cos pi by 5 by cos 2 pi by 5. So cos pi 5 means that is cos 36 degree. Okay, so that means we can write cos 36 degree, and this is cos 72 degree. So 72 means 18, we can write here. So cos 36 degree by sin 18 degree. So you know the value of cos 36 degree, that is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Sin 18 root 5 minus 1 by 4. So 4 and 4 cancel here. So you can write root 5 plus 1 by root 5 minus 1. Now if we multiply with root 5 plus 1 in both the numerator and denominator, we get root 5 plus 1 whole square by 5 minus 1, that is 4. So if we break it, we get 6 plus 2 root 5 by 4. That means 3 plus root 5 by 2, which is the given in the proof. Okay, note down all of you. Now in 6/2, see that sin square a plus cos sin square a minus 120 degree plus sin square a plus 120 degree equals to 3 by 2 given. You have to prove. Now in the LHS, the sin square a means we can write 1 minus cos 2a by 2. Okay. Similarly, for this one also 1 minus cos 2 into a minus 120 degree by 2. And similarly for this one 1 minus cos 2 a plus 120 degree by 2. Now if we break it, we can write 1 by 2 here, 1 by 2 here, 1 by 2. That means 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, that means 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 minus cos 2a minus cos 2a. See, if you take common 1 by 2, then the remaining part is 1 plus 1 plus 1, this is 3, then minus cos 2a, and minus common from these two parts, so minus of cos of 2a minus 240 plus cos of 2a plus 240. Now this is C and this is D, so cos C plus cos D we are applying here. So 1 by 2, 3 minus cos 2a minus 2 cos 2a into cos 240. So cos 240 means minus cos 60, that means minus half. So here put the value over there, 2 and 2 cancel and minus minus plus. So this is 1 by 2, 3 minus cos 2a plus cos 2a. This two part is cancelled, then we get 3 by 2 as RHS as given. Okay, proved. Note down all of you. Now in number 8, see that in LH is given tan 4 theta equals to, you have to prove 4 tan theta minus 4 tan cube theta by 1 minus 6 tan squared theta plus tan 4 theta. Now tan 4 theta means we can write tan 2 theta into 2 theta. So that means tan 2 theta by 1 minus tan square 2 theta. Okay. Again we are putting the formula of tan 2 theta. So 2 into 2 tan square theta by 1 minus tan square theta by 1 minus 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta the whole square. Now 2 into 2 4, tan theta is there, and 1 minus tan square theta. Now by calculation this part, so 1 minus tan square theta whole square minus 4 tan square theta by 1 minus tan square theta whole square. Now see that the one part of this is cancelled because in the second and fourth term are similar to each other. So we can write here 4 into tan theta into 1 minus tan square theta by this portion a minus b whole square. So 1 minus 2 tan square theta plus tan 4 theta minus 4 tan square theta. So 2 here and 4, that means 6. Okay, so 6 tan square theta, and if we multiply this part in numerator part, we get 4 tan theta minus 4 tan cube theta by tan 4 theta minus 6 tan square theta plus 1, which is the given RHS. Okay, proved. Note it down all of you. In 9.1, see that in LH is given sec 8a minus 1 by sec 4a minus 1. Now if you break it 1 by cos, then we can write 1 minus cos 8a by 1 minus cos 4a into cos 4a by cos 8a. Now we know that 1 minus cos 2a equals to 2 sin square a. That means we can write here 2 sin square 4a by 2 sin square 2a into cos 4a by cos 8a. Now see that 2 sin 4a cos 4a, if we take, then we can write sin 8a, and one sin part from the square is remaining here. Now 2 sin square 2a and cos 8a are remaining same. So here we can write sin 8a by cos 8a, that means tan 8a, and the remaining cos sin 4a, that means 2 sin 2a into cos 2a by 2 sin square 2a. Now 2 is cancelled and 1 sin 2a is cancelled. So remaining is tan 8a into cos 2a by sin 2a. That means tan 8a by tan 2a, which is the given RHS. Proved. So write it, all of you. So in 10R1, see that LH is given sin 8 theta. So 8 theta means we can write sine of 2 into 4 theta. That means 2 sin 4 theta into cos 4 theta. Now 2 4 theta means 2 into 2 theta, and 4 sin cos 4 theta remaining same. That means 2 sin 2 theta cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta. So 2 into 2 4, and sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta cos theta into cos 2 theta cos 4 theta. Okay. So that means we can write 8 sin theta cos theta into cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta, which is the given RHS. Which is the given RHS. Proved. Note down, all of you. So now in 10R3, see that tan 5 theta plus tan 3 theta by tan 5 theta minus tan 3 theta. So tan means we can write sine by cos. So sine 5 theta by cos 5 theta plus sine 3 theta by cos 3 theta. Similarly, sine 5 theta by cos 5 theta minus sine 5 theta, 3 theta by cos 3 theta. So now LCM of the both part, numerator and denominator, are same. So we can write directly sine 5 theta cos 3 theta plus sine 3 theta into cos 5 theta by sine 5 theta into cos 3 theta minus sine 3 theta into cos 5 theta, which is the formula of sine A plus B into sine A minus B. So sine of 5 theta plus 3 theta, that means 8 theta, and sine of 5 theta minus 3 theta, that means 2 theta. So in previous question we already discussed about the sine 8 theta. So you can write here 2 sine 4 theta into cos 4 theta by sine 2 theta. Again we can write 4 sine 2 theta cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta by sine 2 theta. So see that one part is cancelled here. The remaining is 4 cos 2 theta into cos 4 theta, which is the given RHS. Okay, good. Note down all of you. In number 11.2, see that you have to write cos 5 theta in terms of cos theta. So that means, suppose cos 5 theta means we can write cos 3 theta plus cos 2 theta. So cos 3 theta plus 2 theta. Okay. So now that is cos A plus B. So we can write cos 3 theta into cos 2 theta minus sin 3 theta into sin 2 theta. So now see that cos 3 theta means we know that 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, and cos 2 theta in terms of cos, that is 2 cos squared theta minus 1. And similarly for sin 3 theta we can write 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, and sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, now just multiply the terms. We can write here 8 cos 5 theta minus 6 cos cube theta minus 4, that means 10, I am going to write it, 10 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta. Okay, and minus 6 sin squared theta into cos. So sin square means 1 minus cos square. Okay, sin squared theta, that means 1 minus cos squared theta. So 1 minus cos squared theta into cos theta plus 4 into 2, 8 sin to the power 4 theta. Sin to the power 4 theta means 1 minus sin squared theta whole square. Sin to the power 4 means, so we can write here 1 minus cos squared theta whole square. So 1 minus cos square theta whole square into cos theta. Okay, so now we just broke this two part. This is remaining same. So 8 cos 5 theta minus 10 cos cube theta plus 3 cos theta minus, see that 6 cos theta minus 6 cos theta plus 6 cos cube theta plus 8 cos theta minus 16 cos cube theta plus 8 cos 5 theta. So we can write here 8 plus 8, 16. So 16 cos 5 theta. Then see that cube. So here minus 10 plus 6, that is minus 4, and this is minus 16, that means minus 20 cos cube theta. 3 plus 8, 11, 11 minus 6, 5, 5 plus 8, sorry, so 5 only, so 5 cos theta. So which is the in terms of cos theta, which is the in terms of cos theta. Note down all of it. Now in 12.2, see that 1 by cot theta minus cot 3 theta given. and this is 1 by tan 3 theta minus tan theta. So we can write here 1 by cot means cos theta by sin theta. So similarly, sin cos 3 theta by sin 3 theta plus 1 by sin 3 theta by cos 3 theta minus sin theta by cos theta. So here if we calculate, we can write, so sin theta into sin 3 theta is the LCM here, and here also cos theta into cos 3 theta is LCM. So 1 by is there, so this is the numerator part. So you can write sin theta into sin 3 theta by cos theta into sin 3 theta minus cos 3 theta into sin theta plus same thing cos theta into cos 3 theta and cos theta into sin 3 theta minus sin theta into cos 3 theta. So now see that these part are same. Okay, this part are same. If you take common, so you can write here this is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That means sin A minus B is there. So that we can write here sin of sin theta sin 3 theta plus cos theta into cos 3 theta by sin of 3 theta minus theta, and this is the cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That means cos A minus B. So this means cos of 3 theta minus theta by sin 2 theta. So you can write cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. That means cot 2 theta. Cot 2 theta, which is the given RHS. Okay. Proved. So now today we are discussing up to 12. From next class we will discuss the remaining part of the part B. Thank you all of you. Take care. Bye.